Python add elements to lists within list if missing. Given the following list of lists, I need each list within A to have the same number of elements. First, I need to get the longest length of any list in A. Then, I need to ensure all lists are at least that long. If not, I want to add a 0, 0, to the end until that is true. The desired result is... Thanks in advance. P.S. I also need to apply this to a pandas data frame like this one.
First, compute the maximum length of your elements. Or as Patrick suggested, do it using generator comprehension on sublist lengths, probably a tad faster. Then create a new list with 0 padding. Result with A equals 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Note, could be done in one line but would not be very performant because of the recomputation of maxlen. One-liners are not always the best solution.
How about to get exactly what you asked for? This is also related to this question, where you can get much better performance with timing.